You know, if your TikTok shop videos aren't getting sales, your content might not be the problem. Your product choice might be the problem. You know, most beginners go into a TikTok shop, pick a random product that looks cool, and hope something sticks. That's exactly how you waste days making videos for a product and nobody buys. So here's the golden rule. Now, before I make a video on TikTok Shop, I run it through a 5-point filter. If it doesn't hit at least 3 out of 5, I usually just skip it. Number 1, demand. I want proof people are already buying it, not just a product that looks promising, not something I'm hoping will work. I want to see signs that demand is already there, because if nobody's buying it, now I'm not just making content, I am trying to create demand from scratch, and that's a much harder game. Number 2, it needs a hook. A product needs one of 2 things. It either has a wow factor that makes people stop scrolling, or it solves a problem people instantly understand. Best case scenario, it does both. If you can show the problem, the results, or the transformation in the first few seconds, that product already has a better shot at converting. Number 3, the commission has to make sense. Now, I'm not making 5 videos for a product that pays me pocket change. I mean, if the product is cheap and the commission is tiny, I'm probably not going to touch it. I want either a strong commission percentage or a price point high enough for the payout to actually be worth the effort, because views are nice, commissions are the whole point. Number 4, weak competition. This one matters more than people think. If a product is already selling, I go look at the content other affiliates are making for it. And if the top videos are lazy slideshows, weak hooks, boring demos, and bad unboxing, that's a really, really good sign, because it means the product has demand, but the content around it is still beatable. That's where the opportunity is. Number 5, easy to demonstrate. This is a big one, folks. If I can't show why the product matters on camera, it gets harder to sell. The best TikTok shop products are visual. You can show the problem, you can show the mess, you can show the fix, and you can show the results. And if a product needs a full explanation just to make sense, it's usually not a great short form product. So here's the golden rule. If a product hits 3 out of 5, it's worth testing. If it hits all 5, stop overthinking and go make multiple videos right this very minute, because product selection is a huge part of TikTok Shop. If you pick the wrong product, even a good video can struggle. But if you pick the right product, now your content actually has something to work with. Comment part 2 and I'll show you how I find low commission TikTok Shop products before they get saturated. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.